everyone, welcome to the Hard Rock Universal Orlando Hotel. We are checking in. We're going to be here for one night, but one night of very fanciness. We are staying club level for the very first time at this hotel. This is actually our very first time staying at this hotel, so we're starting out like rock stars. We are rock royalty. We're staying club level. It's very exciting. Come with us. We'll give you the full tour. This is going to be awesome. Nothing by the fountain. And into the lobby. Here we go. Yeah. It's good. Here we are. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Very cool. This is the lobby. Very nice. Concierge over there. Ticket check-in desk over here. So cool, right? Look at this. And there's a clock. Oh my gosh, and that's the right time. It's 5 after 7. Yep. Wow. Interesting. That's cool. All right. Let's go over here. Take a little tour around. Fancy. So take a right turn, or sorry, left turn. In the lobby. They got a little rock shop over there. Get your Hard Rock Hotel memorabilia, souvenirs. They got some cool autographed things from rock stars. Melissa Etheridge guitar. That's awesome. Shakira outfit. J-Lo. Very cool. We're gonna go elevators over here. More of the shop over there. Elevators over here. Now you do have to use your key for the 7th floor because it is the club level. But on the other side when you get off the elevator, make a right over here to the lounge. More memorabilia. This is where the bar is, where they have the hors d'oeuvres. Rock royalty level, so the little breakfast and snacks and complimentary things are in here. We'll showcase that in another video. And we're gonna go this way to our room. Well, hello. Are you ready to give the room tour? Are we staying at a brand new place? We are. We are at the Hard Rock Orlando at Universal. This is gonna be so cool because we've never stayed here before. This is all brand new. This is one of Universal's premier resorts and we are silly excited to be here. Also, we're on the club level. We are fancy. We'd also like to mention Hard Rock is pet friendly, so you do not have to be a service dog to stay here. All dogs are welcome. Additional charge if you're not a service dog, but all dogs are welcome. Obviously, no fee for service dogs. Anyways, shall we continue with the room tour? Do you want to show everybody? Should I show everybody? I'm going to show them? Okay. So this is our king room here on the club level. As you walk in, you have a closet right here where you can put all of your things. Some hangers. Got your extra pillow and blanket up there, along with your real hair dryer. Safe is down here. Luggage rack. Ironing board right over there with a robe. Very fancy. Coming out here, you have your little bar set up with your coffee maker for in the morning. And you've got the coffees, the additional creamers and things. But we also have the club level, which is coffee all the time. So we'll probably be going there. I don't know necessarily that we'll need this in-room coffee, but it's good to have. And you've also got some real stemware up here with an ice bucket. Fancy. Down here is your mini fridge and an additional drawer for storage. Chiller down here. And then come back out. There's where we just were. That's our door where we came in. So there's a closet, turning back around, looking towards the room. right over here is the bathroom. And I like how it's a little bit separated. So you have this area outside of the bathroom ready if somebody else is in the other room. So you can have two people using the bathroom at the same time. And then you have some towels, got your soap, toiletries over here, cotton products, those things, a couple more glasses, tissues, nice makeup mirror here. And then this is the bathroom. Towels up here on the towel rack above the toilet, additional sink in here, and additional mirror. So like I said, you can have two people getting ready at the same time, which is nice. In here you got your shower. Looks very nice. Got a nice deep tub. Looks good. And then you've got your soap and towels down here, as well as your mini shampoos, conditioners, and body wash right here on the side. All right. Need more towels? Another round? They will bring them up to you. No worries. All right, coming back out here. I like this, made of drumsticks. Very cool. Coming out here to the main room. It's very spacious. So we have a king bed that looks super comfy. And then over here, I love this full-length mirror because it has the heights of various celebrities. So you can see which rock star you are the same height. I match Aretha Franklin, Jennifer Lopez, and Billie Holiday. That's cool. I like that. So over here on the dresser, you have your phone, make calls, also have pen and paper if you need to jot anything down, and a few mini-sized drawers for storage, and a little shelf underneath. Got some plugs back here, a couple regular plugs, and a USB. Additional light up here, let's turn that on. There we go, very nice. Coming out here, over to the other side of the bed, you have your alarm clock, and another light there, we'll turn that on, and more plugs. Excellent, 2 on each side, that's nice. And more drawers. Over here, on the side by the window, very nice couch. It's a little wear and tear on the arms there, but could totally do some lounging. Needs to be reupholstered, but still looks comfy. And let's check out our view over here. It's just standard and looks right out onto the front. That's where we just came in, actually. That is the front of the hotel. If you're down here, this is the carport where you pull up into the lobby. Looks very nice. All right, turn it back around. There's the buddy. Hi, buddy. And then we've also got this little like bar over here, which is very nice. Instead of a desk, this little high top kind of little area for doing some work that also has some plugs. So you could totally set up your computer or do your work. This could be your desk right here. Very nice. Got any additional questions, answers, room things, any information that you would need right there. More very cool artwork. That speaker looks good. Very nice television, all the regular things. And then here is your storage. You have 4 very good sized drawers. Lots of space. You want to unpack, you are good to go. Also, this little area right here that's next to the lock off here, if you wanted to make this a 2-bedroom, you could also put some bags there. So plenty of room for storage. You won't be able to store anything under the bed, but you could store here. You could also put some luggage down here, over here, and then of course in the closet. I'd also like to mention that since this is a pet-friendly hotel, Ernie got a little gift bag, and it's really cool. He got a little Hard Rock shirt, which is little. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but it's super cute. Hard Rock Hotel, Universal Orlando. And we got a toy. Very nice. Becco Bone. And we got, hold on, let's get this out. A roll of bags, just in case. which is very kind. There was also a little sign. I think I put it over here in his carrier. So a little sign for us to put on the door. Grab that out. Yes, here it is. Right here. Safe to enter. Party animal inside. My pet loves company. If you're okay with people coming in while your pet is inside, this is if you have a regular pet. Obviously, Arnie is with me all the time, so this does not apply. And this, for the do not enter, my party animal is inside and my pet needs privacy. So if you have a dog that is coming with you and they do not like other people, they only like you, and they want to stay inside the room while you're at the park, you put this on the door. If you put it on this side, housekeeping is still going to come in. Obviously, this really doesn't apply to us, but anybody watching the video that is bringing their pet, this is good information to know. Ernie's always with me. He comes everywhere, but for dogs that aren't service dogs, here's your little sign. And then you've also got a regular sign here for housekeeping. Maybe later, come on in, you know, the usual stuff. Anyways, we are just here for one night, and we are gonna party like the rock stars that we are. Yes, so we're gonna go take a look around. It is currently Halloween time, so that's fun. Yeah, gonna go check out all the Horror Night stuff. Not the actual Horror Night though. That's too much for us. That's a little too intense. But we will check out some of the daytime stuff. Let you know how that is. All right, should we go outside? Yes, let's go. All right, we'll see you guys later. So I would also like to mention that because the Hard Rock is a premier hotel, you do have the Universal Express Unlimited included in your hotel stay. So you can skip the line for everything for the length of your stay. So we're only here for one night, and we get to skip the lines today, and we get to skip the lines tomorrow. So that is awesome. What's this? Oh my goodness. Is this a really awesome dog walk? Yes, it is. Because like we said before, guys, Hard Rock is pet friendly. It's not just for service dogs. So they have an awesome, awesome pet walk here so that puppies and doggies can do all of their business. It's right over here by where you get the water taxi. You go right over there to go into the hotel, come out, and it is all of this lawn. Look at this. Amazing. Let's go explore. Yeah, this is great. This is right up there with the one at Sapphire Falls that we saw when we stayed over there. We'll link that video in the description below if you guys are interested in that. They have an excellent pet walk as well because that hotel is also pet friendly, not just for service dogs. All dogs are welcome. Awesome. So far, guys, it's only been a few hours, but we're really, really, really enjoying the Hard Rock. It's really good. Really good. Right, bud? Really good. Yeah. Right. All right. So we just came from over there where that blue tent is. That's the water taxi. Coming down over here, they have pet bags available for pet waste if you need them. And look, guys, it goes all the way down there. All the way down there. It's huge. It's amazing. We're going for a stroll. Yay! A stroll. Exciting. This is awesome. And another bag station. Nice. Look at this. Amazing. Down here by the pool. Water station. Got a little pool bar over there. Got some cabanas that you can rent for an additional charge. Shower. Looks fun. Not something that we partake in, but, you know, for other people that are watching, we want to show you guys the pool. There you go. Beach club. The view of the hotel. So pretty here. So pretty. Morning, everybody. All right, back out here at the Hard Rock. And we're checking out. Came back out here over by the pool. We're going to walk over to the parks, have a little bit more fun before we go. This hotel was awesome. Fantastic. Would recommend, would stay here again. It was wonderful. I will say that we got our annual pass holder discount on the room, so we did not pay full price, which helped out a lot. And yeah, I like it. Would recommend, would totally stay here again. I think now all we have to do is stay at Portofino, and we will have stayed at all of the Universal hotels. So then we'll know which one we like best. But Hard Rock, very, very good. Also like that it's only a 4-minute walk over to the parks. That is fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you did, and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of those videos from other hotels here at Universal. Those will be up. We'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Cheers.